dazzled the world with its first batch of images. So Wired turned to the one science guy that can make it all make sense.
We're taking pictures of these objects with astonishing precision. It's like, whoa. If you could somehow be there with your spacesuit looking out, you wouldn't see any of these things. The image was taken in infrared wavelengths, what we also call heat. And so this instrument can detect all these objects in the infrared, and then we, here on Earth, take those data and shift it so that it's visible to our eye. The universe is accelerating apart. The cool thing is, the farther away something is and the faster it's moving, the redder it is. And so they'll use red light for that. The near objects are closer to the color chosen for the central object in this image. So those things that are about the same distance are blue.
So a big takeaway is that these images are enhanced, color-coded, basically photoshopped by NASA artists based on infrared data. But what exactly is being depicted in this image?
You're looking at a stellar nursery where stars are being born. Our sun spins. These stars are all spinning. That's why here we are in the solar system with spinning planets going around a spinning star, all orbiting or moving around the center of the galaxy. It's amazing. Why is everything spinning? When the mutual gravity of these particles brings them together, their unevenness often resolve themselves into a disk, and then in the center of the disk often resolves into a star, where you get a sphere.
And from the birth of a star, we move on to an image that depicts a star near the end of its existence.
This ring that has this wonderful name, the Southern Ring. People in the southern hemisphere of Earth, astronomers can observe this, but have never seen it this close. This is a star that's exploded, that's supernovaed. These supernovae are what creates all the elements that you and I are made of. And so we're looking at the process that creates life. And as Carl Sagan would remark, since we are made of the elements of these exploded stars, you and I are one way the universe knows itself. I'm like, dude. And in the center is a white dwarf. It's a star that's thrown out most of its material, but is now, its gravity has crushed it down where it's glowing in white light. So when they look closer, they found out there were two objects moving around each other. It's like if you've ever been on roller skates or ice skates, you go toward each other and then grab arms and